One of my favourite dishes is shepherd's pie. For this we're going to use about 2 pounds of russet potatoes and boiled in chicken stock. Can't really do that because I'm going to tip it all over, but there's a chicken stock that I use in there. That's like a secret ingredient for the potatoes to cook. We're going to be using turkey. I like to do 85-15 because turkey can be very dry and a little bit of fat in it will help it. You can either mix beef in it as well if you want, or just have beef, it's up to you, but this is a much lighter version. I do prefer this in a way. And a big shout out to Mary, by the way, because this one is going to be for you. And about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. A cup of carrots, 7 or 8 sweet mini peppers. Fry all this up in this wonderful chili oil that I make. The recipe's down below. If you could smell this house right now, it should be illegal. I just had the neighbours knock on the door to give me a package, and as the door opened, they said, "Whoa." I got to say, I do like Restaurant Depot, and luckily we do have one that's not that far away from here. The only thing is, it's a huge can, as you can see, and I've got to open it up. But you know what? For $7, you can't beat that. So I've got plenty of food to cook. After you put the tomatoes in, the next thing you're going to use is some smoked paprika. Next, beef stock, and this is the best. 1 cup goes in there. Star of the show, of course, how can you leave this baby out? A tablespoon. So what I do is I pour a little bit of the broth from the potatoes into this, and then I turn the heat right up to reduce. Also use this broth to cook your peas in. Put your mincemeat back into the tray, tap it down, put the potato on top, and we'll go to the next stage. Sprinkle with some fresh Parmesan cheese. Put it in the oven, 375, 45 minutes. Let's try it. Can't take too much because I've got a family of 5 to feed tonight. So